Hi everybody, I'm Hogan Park. Kitchen scissors is one of the most important utensils in Korean kitchen with a knife. Many Korean people love kitchen scissors when they want to cut some ingredients in the kitchen. This is very convenient and easy, and especially when you don't want to wash your cutting board. You just cut things as you like. Even though it is not that sharp compared to the knife, but it's really convenient utensil in your kitchen. Even in Korean barbecue restaurant, you have to have this kind of scissors to cut the grilled pork or beef. This is very useful, but as time goes on, the joint will be loosened and you need to sharpen your scissors sharply. When you want to keep your scissors sharp, the joint should be tightly fastened and there should be no space between two blades. If your scissors is dull, that means the joint is loosened. You have a space between two blades, then you cannot cut your ingredients sharply. When it is loosened, it is hard to fasten your joint again. Instead, you need to make your scissors blade dull. Let me explain in detail. Before we get to the point, let me give an illustration by hand why we need to make the blade dull to make your scissors sharp. Then how to make them dull? It's a piece of cake. Bring your bottle, glass bottle, any bottle will do. And then you can use the bottleneck. Put your bottleneck between two blades and then back and forth, move, just a little pressure and move like this. Back and forth around to 15 to 20 times, and this hard glass bottle will make the stainless steel blade dull, like this. You can hear sharper sound than before. Let's try to cut a paper. Yes, very sharp. Just invest a couple of minutes and you can enjoy the magic sharpness of your scissors.